Alright, today I'm gonna show you bedroom A. It's in the rooftop. Okay, let me show you everything here from this point. As you see, it's quite nice. We have wooden floor and it's really bright. We have plenty of windows here. And this is the double bed. And here we have a chest of drawers, a small table. So you see, we have nice views. You can see the O2 Arena just there. And here, quite big wardrobe. It's perfect for 1 or 2 people. The electric radiator. We have a side table as well here. You see, the place, the bedroom looks really nice. And I just missed one thing here. We have some extra storage here, some shelves, so it's quite nice for this room.